guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Marz Drum, your host for today. So our vlog for today guys is unboxing Bath and Body Works hand soap. So bubuksan na natin guys. Without further ado, let's get started!
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open.
So ito na yung box natin guys. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, Bath and Body Works. Ayan, so sealed pa yan guys. Hindi pa siya bukas. Ayan, sealed na sealed. So, bubuksan na natin. Ayan. Yun, bukas na guys. Ay, bukas na siya guys. So, ito itsura ng loob. And of course, nandito yung resibo ng Bath and Body Works. Nakikita niya, Bath and Body Works receipt. Ayan, ito yun. Diba? So, first item natin, guys, ay, kukuha lang ko isa. Winter Kinder Apple. Ayan, so, Winter Kinder Apple. Smells good. Oh. Ugaliin natin mag-wash ng kamay every time na lalabas tayo or may ginagawa tayo guys. Don't forget to wash your hands all the time para iwas tayo sakit. And of course, second item is Winter Kinder Apple. Ayan na guys. Winter Kinder Apple. And then, third item natin ay fresh sparkling snow. Okay? I never tried this before. So, first time kong nag-order ng fresh sparkling fresh sparkling snow. Ayan. Winter Kinder Apple. So, Winter Kinder Apple. Winter Kinder Apple siya. Pero iba-iba yung mga amoy siguro nito. Ayan. Ano? Kinder Apple. Ito pala, Kinder Apple. Pero iba yung ano niya. Nakita nyo guys? Winter Kinder Apple. Pero iba yung scent niya siguro. I'm not sure. Winter Kinder Apple. So, iba naman to. Ano siya? Ito naman kasi foam. Foam style. Ito naman, ano sa gel style. Ito, nakikita nyo guys? Pag pinindot mo to, foaming siya. Ito naman gel ang lalabas. Ito, parang yung bula-bula. Pag inano mo. Pag pinapump mo. So, bula-bula. Bubble siya. Foam. Tapos, ito naman gel ang lalabas. So, ito yung difference nila. And of course, strawberry pound cake. Okay. Strawberry pound cake. So, next item ay fresh cut lilacs. Fresh cut lilacs. Okay. Yan. Fresh cut lilacs. Next, Japanese cherry blossom. My favorite scent of all time. Ayan. So, Japanese cherry blossom. Cherry blossom. Next, Japanese cherry blossom ulit. So, another one. Japanese cherry blossom. So, actually, guys, I never really ordered this thing. My hubby ordered it online for me. O, diba? Kasi since I was really busy doing household chores and of course, taking care of the kids. So, in-orderan ako ni hubby. So, he asked me if what kind of scent that he going to order online. I told him that anything will do. So, ayun. So, he knows that I really like Japanese cherry blossom. So, he ordered this for me. O, diba? Ang sweet ni hubby, diba? Oh. So, last one is strawberry pound cake. Uli. So, bali, he ordered 2 strawberry pound cake. Oh, yan, diba? Yun na yun, guys. Yan, tapos na ang ating unboxing. So, yun guys. Sana ay nagustuhan nyo ang ating unboxing sa Bath and Body Works. So, tinatanong nyo guys, bakit mahilig ako sa Bath and Body Works na hand soap? Ano kasi guys, pag gumamit ako ng ibang hand soap, nagpapaklat yung mga kamay ko, na-allergy ako, tapos mahapdi yung kamay ko. So, hiyang ako dito sa Bath and Body Works na hand soap, kaya kahit medyo pricey siya, bumili talaga kami. So, ang isang piraso nito ay $7.50. And guys, $7.50 ang isang piraso nito. A piece. A piece ng hand soap na to. Diba, ang taray ng kamay, no? Tag 370 pesos pa. Isang pirasong ganito, no? Hand soap lang. Bili ka na lang ng sabon, mura lang, diba? Pero, alam nyo guys, kasi, every time na nag-order kami nito, hinihintay namin na mag-sale. Yung bibili ka ng 4, which is worth $20. Ayun, ganun. Bibili ka ng 6, ganun. Bili ka ng 5. May mga, siya, sale. So, bumili ka naman nito with the regular price na $7.50. Mahal talaga siya, guys. Pero, ang ginagawa namin, nag-aabang kami ng sale para, makabili ka ng marami. So, a total of 11. Ayun, so total niya guys ay 11. So, that's all for today guys. Hope nagustuhan yung ating unboxing sa hand soap from Bath and Body Works. Ayun, so, ayan, mahilig talaga ako nito guys. Noon pa to. Dati pa to. Nung in-introduce ni Habi sa akin to, sabi ko nung una, ang mahal naman ang hand soap na yan. So, tinatry ko siya. Maganda sa kamay. Malambot sa kamay, hindi nagpapaklat yung skin ko sa kamay, kaya ayan, ito nang gamit ko. Kahit nandito kami sa ibang bansa, nagpapabili talaga ako from the States going here in Europe. O diba? Ganon. Kahit malayo, sa States kami nag-order nito, padala dito sa Netherlands. O diba? Kasi love na love namin si Bath and Body Works. O diba? Before I end this vlog, guys, mega shout out to all my VIP members. Thank you, guys. Thank you to all your love and support, and of course, to the VIP members na nag-rejoin sa aking membership. Thank you so much, guys. It really means a lot. And of course, guys, sana matuloy kami uwi by this December. Hopefully, dito tayo. Mag-collab tayo, mga Team Marz Drum. O, diba? Excited na ba kayo? Excited na rin ako. Ganon. Chika-chika ever. Tapos magmukbang. Ganon. Tapos, yun, ganon. Know each other. Mga etchos, diba? Chika-chika. So, that's all for today, guys. Mega shout out to all my team members, admin, and moderators. Thank you, guys. Salamat sa tiwala nyo. And I'll see you next vlog. Bye-bye.